Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to make gravy. Gravy is so good and weird. It's a type of sauce that can look very different depending on who's making it. Sometimes it looks like brown mud. Sometimes it looks like wet cement. Sometimes it looks like hog's milk. Sometimes it looks like there are bits of endometrial lining floating in it. Sometimes it's thin and watery. Sometimes it's thick and creamy. However it looks and however it's prepared, I love it. Savory and sweet. Succulent and mouth-watering. Gravy is for me. My number one baby for gravy. To make gravy, boil some animals until they look thick and broken. Then add seasonings, bone powders, elixirs, potions, and talismans. Keep boiling and boiling until your kitchen is filled with the wretched stink of butchered beasts. It should smell like a slaughterhouse in there. Turn your home into a slaughterhouse. Remove your furniture. There are going to be a lot of thrashing animals in there. You need them to make gravy. Boil their fat, scoop out their marrow, have a feast. Merry Christmas.